friends, it's me with some gluten-free cookies. And today is a beautiful hot day in Arizona. As you can see, it's 102 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold. Hopefully just the right temperature to cook some food outside without an oven, without anything but the good old sunlight. See, that's how hot it is. In Arizona in the summer, you leave your car outside and you come back to it, it's literally an oven. That's why we have garages. But today, I got some chocolate chip cookies. I need help. They won't open. Sorry, we are experiencing technical difficulties. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, these actually look really good. I've never made like the pre-made kind before. Usually I just like get the mix or I make them from scratch. But like for the sake of this video and not having any more dishes pile up in my sink, we're gonna be doing it this way. So we're gonna put these in a pan and then we're gonna cook them in the car. Okay, so I got my pan. I'm gonna spray it, oil it up real good. I'm gonna pop these bad boys right on. Oof. Wham bam, yes ma'am. Here we go. Oof. Almost closed the door on my fingers. All right, so.
No, you can totally see all my trash.
It's fine, we were cleaning. No. We were cleaning before we got here. All right, so we're gonna pop these bad boys right here. Oh my God, it's actually like an oven in here. Wow, look at all the Bahama Bucks. You went to Bahama Bucks 3 times without me. This is my favorite place. I am angry.
So it's like baking a potato. You put the shiny side towards the thing you want to be hot.
I just wrap my potato in aluminum. So I don't know how much that's gonna reflect, but there we go. Okay, it's like having a see-through oven. The sun is right on top of them, so I guess we're just gonna check on these later.
A few moments later.
All right guys, it's been 2 minutes. Patiently waiting for my cookies to bake. How much longer will this be? Wow, that's pretty hot. Like, I can't keep my hand on it for more than like a few seconds. So I only have budget for 1 egg today, so make it count. Please cook. Where's the sizzle? This isn't like my frying pan. Wow, doesn't work. 2 out of 10. What if I cover it?
Oh, it's just spilling.
Oh no, that means it's not hot enough. What, this Arizona heat ain't good enough for you? I hope you like raw egg. I'm gonna cover it. Don't worry, I'm here. Okay, you're safe now, friend. I mean, if it could just cook the yolk, it might be good. We're just gonna leave this here. See how long it takes. They're starting to melt. 4 minutes have passed. They're starting to melt a little bit. I think it's working. We might get our cookies. Started to fog up a little bit, but still a salmonella egg. Damn, how hot you need it to be? This video is not going according to plan. It's now been like 30 minutes. I feel like they're cooking a little slowly but surely. I don't know, man. I've been living in Arizona a long time. It's been over 10 years. I always thought it was hot. Sometimes it gets to like 120 degrees, but y'all can't even cook an egg. Time to check on the egg. Bro, this is, ooh, that's hot. Cook, damn you. I'm just scared because I put this on the road. It's like kind of on my driveway, but like still on the road. Somebody could like destroy it before it's done, and even worse, destroy my lid. I need that. I don't know, man. Every time I do one of these videos, I like never do research about it or anything, and I just want a snow cone right now because it's so hot. I am sweating in places you are not supposed to sweat. Oh no, people are about to drive. I hope they don't hit my egg. I don't want to like stand in front of the street right now and like protect it. Maybe they'll see it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting for this video. I was expecting to bring you quality content. Oh, I see the cookies cooking. They're like melting now. They're becoming a good shape. But I'm gonna stay here for a hot second before that Nissan Altima decides to end my egg's life. Oh, they're just backing into their driveway. Okay. Oh, they busting at you. They're going the other way. Good riddance. Okay, well, I got sick and tired of waiting for my cookies and my egg to cook in this dang heat. So we are out here. I'm driving at peak rush hour right now, trying to get a snow cone. I literally have to drive half an hour to get a snow cone. That's like how far I live from everything. Sucks, man. You would think if I lived this far away, I wouldn't have neighbors that like blast their music, but such is my life. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this cop car, there's a purple Thanos cop car right there. How can they even have a purple cop car? Last time we came here, we broke down in the drive-thru because they took so long. You would think it takes like 2 seconds to make a snow cone, but no. I don't know what it is. Every single time I've went before and after that, it took like 5 minutes to get my snow cone. And then that one time in the drive-thru, it wasn't even busy or anything. It's like they forget about the people in the drive-thru. And then he checked up on us like 3 times, and it took, we're not even kidding, not even exaggerating, for 2 snow cones, 30 minutes. Snow cone machine broke. So there's this game, Bimini Ring game. So you just do it. Winner stays, loser pays. 1 point if you hit the hook. Bimini is 5 points if you hook the ring. agitating.
You just let gravity work. You just
You just have to time it right. I took my time on that one and I got it. See, this is my favorite only when they do it right, and I think they didn't do it right again today. So I got a natural guava flavor and I make them do it very, very, very light on the syrup. And I know even the light in America is like really a lot of sugar. So I tell them to do it on half of it, but it's still a lot. It's too sweet for me. Here with my Perrier, waiting for the taco truck to open. And there's like a marathon going on over here. I don't know, everybody's just like running back and through this, there goes another one. Through this parking lot. It's like such an awkward place for a marathon. There was a lot of them before and now there's like less people, but like we just sitting here waiting for our tacos in 100 degrees while people out here running. Nice. It's your favorite American anime, Taco Juan. We got our tacos. Oof. Taco Bell in the distance, like I left it purposely and somebody desecrated my egg site with a traffic cone. So we just got back home. Oh my god, this didn't even cook yet. This whole time it didn't even cook, like at all. It's not even the slightest bit white.
it's like deflated.
Ew,
it's
is
hard.
it hard? Okay, so it cooked a little. I don't want to touch it. Okay, it cooked actually. Yeah, whose cone is this? Oh my god, I'm pulling out of my driveway. Holy shit. Oh my god, what is this? It's actually cooked now. Ugh. Burnt to a crisp. Cone is still there, by the way. Okay, wow. How unfortunate was this? The audio didn't record just as I was checking up on my freshly baked cookies. Oh my god, look! Fresh baked cookies from the comfort of your own car. Just like you would bake them in an oven. I literally can't believe my eyes. Let me sit in the car so I can take a closer look. And I have my handy dandy oven mitt, by the way, just in case I don't burn my handsies. Oh my god, it's so hot. Good thing I have an oven mitt. Wow, these cookies look suspiciously well cooked. Wow. Y'all see that? Nature did that. Ain't nothing but nature and the sun's hot rays and Arizona's burning hot air and the compression of this car. Nah, but for real though, we left it for like 2 hours. We went out, we got our shaved ice and got some tacos, and now we get some cookies. They tasted pretty good, but I mean they were like the refrigerated kind. I was not impressed. I rushed inside because some kid on a bike yelled, "Sniper Wolf, is that you?" And I literally ran inside. By the way, Greta is a horrible camera person. I mean, she forgot to turn the audio on. Yes, I'm mad about it because it's 3:30 in the morning and I have to record this voiceover over me eating cookies, trying to remember exactly what I said a week ago. Alright, see that one's kind of stuck. Oh my god, I can't even pick that bad boy up. I sprayed that pan and everything. Okay, so I'm giving a thumbs up, so that probably means it's okay. They were edible. Would I eat the whole thing? Probably not. If I took 5 seconds and 2 tablespoons of water and an egg to mix up a batch of Pillsbury box cookies, would have been a million times better. Those are the best, by the way. I don't know what I'm saying in this part. Like this video if you enjoyed. Yes, that's definitely what I was saying here. And subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Ignore my hair because I really gotta wash it. But like, I've been watching videos where people cook things outside in Arizona. Steaks.
Got some cookies going.
Wow, the absolute flex, first of all. First steaks, and he flipped them and it was like, oh my god, look at that. It turned brown. Nice. And then we got cookies going on in the Lambo. Did it have to be a Lambo though? This video called me poor. So this one was 118 degrees in June in Gilbert, Arizona. So you know what? There was my mistake. I tried to do in like 100-something degrees. You have to wait till it's like peak summer, like when you hit like 1 something.
Let's see how long this takes.
Wow, there wasn't even a sizzle.
Back in about 10 minutes.
Okay, so it takes 10 minutes to cook. But you're nasty. You're literally cooking it on a sewer. Even if I cooked, you can't even eat it. Says the one who cooked it on her street.
You can already see it starting to cook. What do you think, Ava? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Here we are 10 minutes in, and it is cooking. Don't know if I'd eat it yet, but
This dude really talking about, don't know if I'd eat it yet. You've literally plopped that egg onto a sewer hole. Comment below. Y'all eating that or not? Cause I am not. So I guess other people that did it, it doesn't start sizzling right away. Like no matter how hot the ground is, it's not gonna be like hotter than a stove. Okay, so they left this for a while. It's over 120 degrees here. And it's just cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking. Ooh, that looked nasty. Ew. That's kind of what happened to my egg. Ugh. Okay, I gotta stop watching this because this made me not like eggs anymore.